I can do it. These four words encapsulate the essence of determination, belief in oneself, and the unyielding spirit of human potential. When we say, I can do it, we are declaring our commitment to overcome challenges, push through obstacles, and achieve our goals. It's a statement that signifies self confidence and the refusal to be held back by self doubt or external limitations. Each of us has faced moments in life when self doubt crept in, when the path seemed too difficult, or when the odds appeared unbeatable. Yet it's precisely during these moments that we must harness the power of I can do it. This phrase has ability to transform mere wishful thinking into action, to turn adversity into opportunity, and to convert obstacles into stepping stones. I can do it empowers us to dream bigger, set audacious goals, and then take the necessary step to achieve them. It propels us forward when our energy wanes, when the world doubts our abilities, and when circumstances conspire against us. It's a motto that fuels our determination and resilience. Moreover, I can do it is not just a personal affirmation, it's a message to the world that we are capable of remarkable achievement. It encourages others to believe in themselves and to chase their dream with unwavering resolve. In the fact of adversity, uncertainty, or fear, remember those four simple words I can do it. Say them with conviction and then take action, because truly, with the power of belief in ourselves and the persistence to back it up, there's very little that we cannot accomplish. So, let us embrace the mindset of I can do it. Let it be our guiding light, our source of strength, and our driving force. Together, we can accomplish extraordinary things, and the world will witness the incredible power of unwavering self belief. Thank you.